Years of life. It has been a journey filled with love, laughter, challenges, and countless beautiful memories. And tonight, I feel incredibly grateful to be surrounded by all of you. Sa ako mga anak, mga apo o mga apo sa tuhod, kamo ang pinadako na akong bahandi. Ang inyong gugma o suporta, mao ang labing milyon nga gasa. Seeing you grow all into wonderful individuals brings me so much joy and pride. To all my friends and relatives, salamat sa inyong presensya. Some of you have traveled far, and some of you with me have been with me through thick and thin. O ang uban, pag umahigala na nagdala o kalipay sa akong kinabuhi. Each of you hold a special place in my heart. Dapo sa akong pasalamat sa tanan ng tabang sa paghimo ni
birthday celebrator will do the final
organizers, performers, and everyone who put in their time and effort. Karong gabi na, I truly feel like a queen. As I celebrate this milestone, I look back with gratitude and forward with hope. Kinabuhi, nagtudlo ka na ako. Ang pinaka-importante mo ang lugma, kaayo o pagtuloy. Ikan sa kinahilman sa ako kasing-kasing, daghang salamat.
Okay, very happy with the message of our birthday celebrator. Daghang salamat and happy birthday! Again, happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday!